In Lesson 3, we're going to talk about percentages that are a little unusual. In other words, they're either greater than 100% or less than 1%. Most percentages are between that, so they are unusual. If we have a percentage that's greater than 100, that means it represents more than 1. So a mixed number would be something that's greater than 100%. When you're going to change it to either a fraction or a decimal, you change it the same way you would change a normal percentage. So let's look at an example. If we have 260%, we would drop the percentage sign and then take that decimal, which of course when it's silent is sitting at the end of the number, and move it 2 places to the right. So that'd be 1 and that would be 2. So our answer would be 2.6, 2 and 6/10. And another way to write that, of course, besides just 2 decimal 6, 2 and 6/10, would be as a mixed number as well, 2 and 6/10, which of course can be reduced to 3/5. Okay? I think the ones that give people more trouble are the ones that are less than 1%. So when it's less than 1 out of 100, that would be less than 1%. You're still going to change everything, though, the usual way. Let's say that we had 0.5%, and we wanted to change that to a whole number. We would drop our percent, take our decimal, move it 2 places to the right, to the left, excuse me. And then, of course, if we have a missing spot, we have to fill that in with a 0. So our new answer would be 0.005, which means that we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 5 thousandths. So 5 thousandths is equivalent to 0.5%. They just get a little tricky when you look at them. But just keep following the rule. Just keep following the rule. Drop the sign, move it 2 to the left. If it's the other way around, if they give you a decimal, for example, if they gave you this number and they wanted you to change it to a percentage, then remember you go 2 places the other direction, 1, 2. So we would have 1.2 or 1 2/10%. These are equivalent. They're equal to each other. All right, let's go practice some.